Roadblock disambiguation. A roadblock is a temporary installation set up to control or block traffic along a road. Roadblock may also refer to traffic obstruction. Raasta roko obstruct the road in Hindi, a commonly practiced form of protest in India. Media and entertainment. Roadblock film, a 1951 crime thriller film. Roadblock G.I. Joe, a fictional character in the G.I. Joe universe. Roadblock Transformers, several characters in the Transformers toy line. Roadblock Robot, a contestant on the TV show Robot Wars, who won the first series. Roadblock The Amazing Race, a task which has to be completed by only one person of a team on the CBS reality television series The Amazing Race. Roadblock Song, a single from 1987 by Stock Aitken Waterman that peaked at number 13 in the UK charts. Sports. WWE Roadblock, a professional wrestling event. People. Joe DeQuisto, professional wrestler known as Roadblock, born October 1952 or 52.